Hi guys, welcome back to another nail polish of the week video and welcome to my channel if you're new. As usual, I'm going to swatch and review or at least just talk about one specific nail polish color, but if you haven't subscribed yet, I would really love you guys to do so and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But as usual, grab your nail supplies and paint your nails together with me. Make sure that your previous manicure is completely removed before you're going in with your base coat. And I am using one of my favorite base coats of this moment, which is by PJR Care Nail Polish. It actually is a Dutch brand, but I do think that they ship pretty much internationally as well. And I do have a discount code. I think it's like 25% off of your own purchase. Check it out. I always place it in the description box down below if you're interested. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this to all of my nails. It dries really quickly as well, which is something that I love. It is definitely one of my favorite base coats at the moment because, as I mentioned, it dries fast. It is 100% vegan, it is tan free, it is cruelty free, and it is halal as well. So yeah, of course, make sure to cap off your edges too, just to prevent any chipping and tip wear and so on, especially if you do a lot of work with your hands, whether it's like very manual work like I do on a daily basis, or maybe you have to work for school, college, university, have like some kind of office job and you have to type a lot. Just make sure to cap off those edges, you know. But the color of this week's nail polish of the week video is one by Essie. This one is number 680. It is so gorgeous, and this one is called One Way for One. I actually got this polish when I was in Germany back in September, actually visiting my longtime best friend for like 19 years. We've been best friends, and she actually moved to Germany. And yeah, I just really had to visit her because it had been forever since I last saw her. And luckily, when we were there in September, like all of the pandemic like stuff was a little bit lower than it is at the moment. Once again, I really hope everything will get back to normal in some way or another soon, so I can actually go back and visit her again, and of course to shop some more beautiful nail polishes, because in Germany they have a very cool drugstore called DM. They have so many awesome brands and the prices are a little lower than they are here in the Netherlands. So this Essie polish, I think I got it for 7 euros, and here in the Netherlands they are at least 10 euros a bottle. So yeah, it isn't really super inexpensive. I really wouldn't categorize Essie as a brand as a drugstore or budget proof kind of brand, even though they are sold at drugstores. I feel like they are more in the higher spectrum of drugstore like nail polishes, I'd say. Nonetheless, this is a very gorgeous pink color. It is a medium pink tone with beautiful golden shimmer in it. It is so gorgeous, it is so luscious, and I felt quite festive while working with this polish and actually wearing it to work as well. I have pre-recorded this video. I think I recorded it like 5 weeks ago, maybe even 6 weeks ago. So my nails at the moment are a little longer than they were here. I actually had some damaging on my thumb as well because I work with construction materials and in sales of construction materials, so I actually do a lot of like manual stuff during the day, and I kid you not, I got a ceramic toilet on my fingernail. Like, seriously. It is such a stupid story, but yeah, I actually had to move it for one of our customers and I accidentally got it on the tip of my thumbnail. So yeah, that one is pretty much damaged. It still is as we speak. I'm trying to growing out and actually file the damage out, if you know what I mean. Just grow it longer so I can get rid of the damage. At the moment I actually have some gel polish, like a gel top coat on there, on which I do my regular nail polish designs just to give it a little extra structure and strength, so it won't be splitting throughout my entire nail like into the flesh and bloody part, you know. But yeah, that's just a little side story if you were curious to know what has happened to my thumbnail, especially in upcoming videos as well, and also my nail art winter week videos. You will see that damage in my thumbnail. So yeah, there's not much I can do about it other than just grow it out and just get rid of it in time. But back to the nail polish of the week video, because I'm going in with the top coat already, which is by PJ Arcare Nail Polish as well, the brand that is also the base coat that I used in this video and in a lot of upcoming videos, because as I mentioned, I pretty much love this brand. They are so nice and they are quite affordable as well. And also this top coat dries super quickly. But the Essie polishes on its own, it's about 10 bucks depending on where you get it. So I paid like €7 when I was in Germany. But it is completely opaque in just 2 coats. I think it's really beautiful. I have actually used it in one of my winter nail art week videos as well. It will be the week before Christmas. I think it's like from the 14th on. I will be posting daily, like 7 days in a row. So definitely keep an eye out for that if you want to be inspired or get inspired to do some festive winter or Christmassy designs on your own nails as well. I've already recorded every single one of them and it's just up to me finding time to edit it and just to schedule it in. But seriously, I can't wait, and I can't wait to show you the design that I made with this beautiful Essie polish as well. But yeah, this is the entire nail polish of the week video already. Let me know what you think of this color, because personally I'm a big fan. It is pink, it is opaque, it is just gorgeous. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. I hope you're all staying safe and sound and everything like that. And as usual, I hope to see you in one of my next videos.